All right? So many things, small, big, happen in your life for which you get upset. But now, with this blessing of Sahasrara, you'll be amazed there is help from Paramachaitanya. And that means a tremendous help, because it acts globally, it acts individually, it acts on communities, it acts on nations, because there is divine, what we call divine, where is the divine play going on. And this divine play plays tremendous beautiful things by which people start correcting themselves. So you should never be nervous, you should never be upset, because you have the divine power within you and it will correct. It can correct anyone. I mean, recently we had a case of one boy who was hit by a truck and they said his lungs were smashed. Now with the lungs smashed, nobody has heard that they become normal. Not only they became normal, but he started breathing normal. And now he is all right. This work is done by Paramachaitanya. You don't have to do anything. Any problem comes before you, before it really touches you, is solved by the Paramachaitanya. But you must have full faith in yourself and in Paramachaitanya, and believe that you are a realized soul. Nobody can harm you. If they try to harm you for the time being, all right, you may suffer, but you don't also feel the sufferings, and you get out of it. Such a security, such a proper guidance is there. Also you are saved from all kinds of attacks and all kinds of mistakes that you commit. It's all such a big, I would say, a computer of knowledge. He knows, it knows what you are doing and what you should not do, where you are going and what should not be your way. It knows everything about. So then you have to become aware of it. Now this is the stage where I would say that you have to be aware that you are realized souls. You are different, very unique. You are realized souls. You are not ordinary people. And that you are protected by this Paramachaitanya. Nothing can change you. Nothing can trouble you. Nothing can overpower. Because you are not aware also of this Paramachaitanya. That's why you little bit get worried, and people write to me, Mother, something wrong with my daughter, something this. Everything can be corrected by Paramachaitanya, if you know how to leave it to that. If you understand how you are one with that Paramachaitanya, you are a part and parcel of it. And that Paramachaitanya is looking after you. You don't have very conscious effort. There's no need to have very conscious effort. Accept life as it is. As it is, whatever life is there, accept. Don't retaliate, don't get angry, don't get upset. Just accept. And you'll enjoy the same life which was irritating you. You will see the enjoying part of that. And it will be so beautiful the way you will see that you will get over all your problems. You will get over all your enemies. and a kind of very fresh, beautiful existence. So now, as you are all Sajogis, it's a very great position. With that, if you humble down, then you will be amazed to see that you are absolutely in contact with this Param Chaitanya. Not only that, but you have become Param Chaitanya. With this Param Chaitanya, you can do anything. I need not tell you what you can do, because some of you may not believe. But that's my own experience is that if you are the Param Chaitanya, if you know you are the Param Chaitanya, then it keeps your dignity, it keeps your position, it keeps your word, and looks after you. And whatever is just said or desired, just get it. Your desires also change. Your desires are not for stupid things, but for something that is very noble. Like you want to transform people, you want to do Sahaja Yoga work. All these desires are fulfilled fully when you want to do it, you like it, and you think of it. It is something, even seeing something. If you see something and you are stunned by that, immediately Param Chaitanya will take over and you will have no problems. No problems. Because the way we react to all these difficulties and to so-called odds in life becomes a play, just a play. You are amazed, you looked at it and finished. Look at that and finished. That is how it is the light which goes into the darkness and finishes the darkness. The darkness is finished and our problems are finished also. So this is what is our awareness has to become. Awareness has to become Paramachaitanya. Then you get all the ideas, everything that are divine. But not only that, but also the help of the divine. All the solutions of the divine. It's something amazing, and everything quietens down. Everything settles down. And you are amazed watching all this, that you are the center of doing all these things. You are not aware that you are doing and you are this. That ego part is missing. But you see it's all happening around you, and then you are amazed how it is happening.